Hello and welcome to a tutorial on sketching and positioning. Today we're doing a Kingfisher, and throughout this video I'm going to share my favorite shortcut methods and techniques to help master your pencil sketching. Here is the first one. I call this the copy and paste method. Print your reference into your desired size, then outline the image onto your paper. I generally don't like to cheat and prefer not to use the original or somebody else's image, so I use my own original drawings to satisfy my conscience. But you are more than welcome to use the original reference. I plan on making another video based on this topic, but if you want the idea on sketching your own image, check out my first tutorial on sketching and positioning. I have two strategies you can use. Feel free to choose whichever one you want that is to your liking. The one is using a glass table or sheet with a light underneath to transfer the image onto your paper. Use tape to secure its position. And a very light pencil. Second strategy, face the image down, then using a soft graphite pencil, cover the whole surface with enough graphite and show through no sign of the image. Outline the image with a pen. Second method to use is editing your reference to black and white. I love doing this method because it is a good way to get the right tones. Do you also hate it when the palm gets dirty and it smudges graphite all over your artwork? To prevent it being destroyed, I wear a Smudge-glove. I'm starting off with the darkest details using a 6B pencil. Use a solid lead to cover larger surfaces. Time for some blending. Before, I would use my fingers to blend, but now I use this amazing tool. I'm not sure what it's called, maybe a blending stick? I always wondered how some artists got their fine highlights until I found this thing. You'll never go wrong using a rubber pencil. The blade is the best to get nice sharp points. Remember to use a very sharp pencil for the details. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know if you've learned some things and if you enjoyed the process. See you again in the next tutorial.